Hello viewers, this is Shaquille with another video. I want to show you some of these seagulls and also pigeons in New York City. This is the area in Lawrence, and as you know, the nearest water body around here is the Jamaica Bay. Jamaica Bay is this way, but if you see all these seagulls up on 7-Eleven's building, they're perching over here, and obviously there's not enough food for them or the fish in the sea, so they're coming here and feeding on the food left by the customers outside of the 7-Eleven. So this is the video for today.